If you don't have home internet but still want to play online or download games, Xfinity Wi-Fi Pass can provide temporary internet access through public Comcast hotspots. This service allows devices like the Xbox One to connect to nearby Xfinity Wi-Fi networks in places such as cafes, parks, or public areas. After purchasing a pass, you can sign into the hotspot network and use the connection for gaming, updates, and streaming. The setup only takes a few minutes once the pass is active. Step 1. Purchase a pass by visiting xfinity.com/Wi-Fi or using the Xfinity app on your phone. Step 2. Choose a plan such as 2, 4-hour, 7-day, or 30-day access and complete the payment. Step 3. On your Xbox One, open Settings, then Network, then set up wireless network. Step 4. Select the Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot from the available networks list. Step 5. Enter the login credentials from your purchased pass to connect and start using the internet.